Hello! As you know, among the work that we carry out on our sites, there are those called hotspot work such as grinding, sanding, flame cutting, welding, cutting. It should be noted that the risk relating to this work varies according to its nature, such as work that gives off sparks. This work can trigger the fire triangle, which will instantly cause a fire or even an explosion in the event that we are present in an explosive atmosphere exacerbated by the presence of flammable gases. In addition, we must not omit the risk of asphyxiation caused by the emission of smoke or gas, as well as the risk of electrocution, which may be due to the use of faulty electrical equipment. Therefore, to avoid the dangers linked to work in hotspots, and which can cause both human and material losses, you must comply with the application of all safety conditions, starting with the need to have the authorization, the fire permit, which will allow you to carry out the work by hotspot. It should be noted that the assurance of this fire permit is preceded by a set of steps such as Workplace Risk Analysis, JHA, SPA, approved by a competent and authorized person. The latter must also ensure the application of appropriate risk mitigation measures, as well as the implemented rescue plan. It is also necessary to keep flammable and explosive materials at a distance of 11 meters from the workplace. If we are unable to respect this distance, it is possible to install partitions or cover these materials with fireproof blankets. Of course, it is necessary to provide appropriate fire extinguishing equipment to fight fires depending on the nature of the work being carried out. In addition, the gas level must be measured if we are working in an explosive atmosphere and ensure the absence of flammable gases. The presence of a supervisor is mandatory to control and ensure that the work is carried out in a safe manner. He must also be competent in the use of the fire extinguisher, the communication system used to raise the alert, and the gas detection equipment when the risk analysis requires so. It is worth mentioning that all the controls and procedures implemented by the company are intended to protect the health and safety of all employees working on the sites. That is why we must respect them so that we can work safely.